Morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon. I'm in this PBLA, taking it in the Discord. Go, go, go. CLSS or CLLS is breaking out. This is going to be on watch, 2-day runner. Yesterday it was up 172%. Today it is up 17%. Do I expect it to break 339? Yes, I do. Why? Because it's just continuation from the previous day. Yeah, that's it. There's nothing really complicated about it. IBRX, we'll see how this one does. I nailed it again. Currently on an 18 win streak, which is pretty crazy. IBRX, all I'll do is just wait for this level to break. See if this does break today. If it does, then I'll look for entries. Otherwise, I'll look for pullback, if anything. CHRS, this one's another one that we played yesterday. Waiting for this 357 break, to be honest. That's that big level there. So we'll see where it gets to. Yesterday's high was 347, so we can just mark that level there. GVP. At the moment, low volume. Chart looks good on the 4 hour. Yeah, looks great. Looks good, looks good. It's not my kind of play, but I mean, you can see from 155, it's up over 100%, right? Since 2 days ago, so looks good. I like it. BTAI. This one is pretty simple here. This would be the no trade zone around this level here. I'm waiting for 465 break. And then obviously 478. This was running yesterday, 9%, but it did run a little bit more during intraday, but I like this setup. It looks good. It needs to hold this 420 support. If it comes down to this level, I'll look for possible entries. So yeah, I needed to hold this level here. Hopefully it holds here, then pushes to the upside on that. ALDX, I'm expecting this one to break out. 50% yesterday, down 1% this morning, but simply just looking at it from a technical aspect, we can see that it is bullish. Why? Because it's in a bullish pennant. You expect price action to do exactly what it's doing right now, and then push to the upside and break the 761, and then push for 273 on that. Got in at 17 OLED. It's really on the support level right now. For me personally, I have a 3 to 5 cent stop loss, so I cut my losses pretty quick. I'm waiting for this 1850 break. Why am I waiting for this? Downtrend, area of resistance. So I'll wait for that level to break, and then I'll look for entries. But at the moment, I'm not going to be trying to enter here. Yeah. PBLA, come on, come on, come on. This one broke the trend line. Where is the 9-EMA? Okay, it's reclaimed 9-EMA. VWAP is in the way right now, so 132 level. Breaks 132, then we should keep pushing to 132. Let me just mark that. So 132 is at resistance at the moment. Can even move it to here, 134. Then your next level for that would be this here, 157 for that. So these are your levels here on PBLA. This is your clear area support at 111. I got in at 113. All right, so here. This is probably going to be my top watch though, CLLS. I like this setup a lot simply because just continuation from yesterday, kind of just playing what is in front of me. I'm not going to try and find some hidden gem. I never try to do that. I simply just play past runners. I look at what plays have volume and that's it. I'm not going to try and find a stock that has upcoming FDA news or something like that. Very, very extremely high risk actually for those trades. So or you'll just be waiting in those for a while. So for me personally, I will be avoiding that, but looking more at what's in front of me right now and what kind of runners are moving. ICCT, nothing's really going on. So the ones in the blue here on the left hand side are just currently on my watch list. No particular order. I don't have ranked which one's the best, which one's the worst. Simply impossible to say what's going to happen. So I just kind of have these on my watch list. If they hold certain levels, great, that sounds an area of strength. Then I'll look for entries, but if it's not holding, then I'll just simply just remove them off my watch list. So it's very, very easy to do that. This one here, exactly, TGTX ran 30% yesterday, consolidating here, hopefully for a big move to the upside. This is going to be a big move. In which direction? I expect up. Is it going to go up? I don't know, but I would wait for 1050 break, but there is going to be a big move in either direction simply because it's consolidating. IBRX, yeah, this one's not doing so well right now, but we'll see how it does do closer to open. This looks like it's trying to get the double bottom here for the reversal. So there might be a possible double bottom here on OLIT. So this is that 1450 zone that I was talking about as an area of support. So yeah, probably will go. I hope it does run. So it gets the market moving. Even a possible triple bottom, but I don't really like that wick too much, to be honest. This is kind of your level right now. So this is me just charting and showing you guys where the areas of support is. Obviously you can clearly see it is this orange line, but you can see it's hit once, twice, holding this level. So this is a solid area of support. Hopefully we do break this trend line and push 1850 and go for all the way up here. I mean, high of days 36, which is pretty insane. Yeah, VSME, I charted this earlier. It looks like it's trying to break out of this this bullish pennant as well. So it was running a little bit ago, but now it's slowed down. But I would keep this on watch. So I would just wait for this one. I mean, you just need to wait for the high. Personally, I'm going to wait for it to get over $1. So $1 break is what I'm looking for on this. Yeah, $1 here. Hopefully hold this, break, retest like this, push, retest, and push to the upside. Should expect this to break above, but we'll have to wait and see. Yay, PBLA, go, go, go. Not sure if anyone did grab this, but I know some people in the Discord are in it. Hassie is in it as well, I think. Damn, my average or not. CLLS. Damn, this one needs to hold. So I'm just going to remove these now, these chart patterns. It was just kind of an indication of what's going on. This will be more of a clear chart for you guys to see what's going on here. So we have this level. You could even say this is the falling wedge here like that. So kind of needs to just, I have $3 as that psychological level, so that's why I have this orange line here. I know this is 304 here, but I just kind of even it out to make it this psychological level, so I know that if it does pull back to this level, I expect it to hold, simply because if we look left, this was an area of resistance before. If it does hold $3 into open, that's exactly what I want, so we can hopefully expect a push to the upside on that. You have an accent. What country from? I was born in South Africa, but I grew up in Dubai. I've lived here for 20 years and then went to college in America to play college golf at Notre Dame. Lived in Chicago for 6 years and then moved back to Dubai and trade here full time. Come on, PBLA. So PBLA looks like the best setup right now, guys. So all I did was simply, I know you guys are learning a lot already for this, and I keep showing you guys every single day the same thing. All I do is mark the high, mark an area of support, and then mark areas of resistance. That's all. So I don't look at what's happening with EMAs. I don't look at the volume kind of profile. I don't get into too much detail with that until I start to look for trades during open. I only use 2 indicators, so I don't complicate my trading. It's very, very simple. Use trend lines, areas, support and resistance, and that kind of thing. And obviously chart patterns help a lot, as well as candlestick formations. So just pretty much the basic stuff that everyone kind of needs to learn if they want to become a trader, I guess. So we can see now that since I've changed this chart, it looks a lot different, right? This is still a falling wedge. This is still bullish. This is still respecting everything that I expect to happen. We should expect a push to the upside here, over here, then hopefully retest up there. So keep this one on watch if you are looking for a setup. I'm hoping it holds $3 into open, then I'll look for entries, but I don't want to be jumping in now trying to get the best entry. So come on, PBLA, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. PBLA looks great. I think this is going to be the top mover at the moment. I'm up a little bit on it. This one, I'm going to keep this one on watch, guys, this OLIT. Simply because it's holding this area support. I mean, it doesn't look too great at the moment. All I'm looking for is simply this 1850 break, that's all. But it is up 43%, so it is in the top gainer, so we'll just keep an eye on it if it does do anything during open. FSLI. If there's any other tickers you guys want me to chart, feel free to post them. I will go over them for you guys. I'll be here for another 10 minutes or so, and then I will head into the Discord. So feel free to post some tickers. I'm here to help you guys with that. I'll give my insight on some setups that I like, and then I'll go over my watch list as well. And then from there, we will go on to live trading today as well. If you guys want to join the Discord, you can join the Discord. Hassie and I actually opened up some more spots because yesterday they went pretty quick. So I decided to give a couple more. So there's some spots there if you want to join. But yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at for now. So CLLS, you guys can copy this exact setup. I would do the same. You don't even have to have the chart pattern if you don't want to. It's just a clear, easy way to look at the stock, right? So in my opinion, what I would do is just mark this area of support $3 and then just mark the high, which is 339. That's all. So PBLA is a good entry at 140. No, PBLA is not a good entry at 140. No, this is just, this is the area of support. This is an area of support now. It was resistance. Then you have this next level is 157, and then 180 is safe entries. But I mean, if you're looking at it on a larger time frame, it looks good. Very bullish. Should expect to continue to the upside on this. Yeah, AVTX. I posted that one on my watch on my Twitter. So just go on my Twitter, you can see it. This is the chart. Falling wedge, bullish. You expect the price action to break above. Wait for 0.105 for that level to break, and then you can look for entries on that. We won't be offering free trials maybe next year, sometime next year, maybe January or something. But yeah, I mean, there's the free trial. Obviously, you guys want to get a look into what we do, right, with the trading. It's very, very simple and easy. The difference between my Twitter and what I do with what we do with the Discord is simply that the ones that I post on Twitter are just chart setups that I like. That's it. On the Discord, or in the Discord, sorry, we have live trading, we have live education, we have live seminars, we have all the educational tips. We give you the reasonings for our trades. We teach you how we trade. We don't just give you alerts for the sake of it. We don't give 100 alerts a day. We give around maybe 10 between myself and Hassie. We're very consistent with it. Over about 2,600 trades now for myself in the Discord, all the recaps there. I have over 75% win rate. So that means that whenever I give an alert, it has a 75% chance of hitting at least the first target. Currently on a 16 win streak at the moment. which is very, very good. So hopefully we can continue that for the week. But yeah, and then obviously with alerts, we give entry, exits, stop loss, all that kind of thing as well. So $60 is absolutely nothing if you're in a trade. I mean, I know it's very competitive, this kind of industry, I guess you could say, but if you're paying for something that you can make money, it's very, very easy to make $60 regardless of your account size. So I mean, it's a no-brainer in my opinion. It's completely up to you if you decide to join. We have a great community, but if you do want to join, feel free to join. OLLT is going down. PBLA, what is this, level 145? Let me look at this on a larger time frame. Let's see where this can go. So this chart's obviously finally broken out. I don't know what the news was. I'm assuming it was some kind of news for the FDA, or I mean, whatever's therapeutics. So we can see now it's pulling back, but yeah, needs to hold this 111. That's the area of support that I have at the moment. IBRX, just keep this one on watch, guys. This is a very nice chart. It is slowly starting to slow down now. We can see only yesterday was only up 3.5%. Okay, so obviously we can see there's a big run up from a few days ago. Then now we can start to see it's consolidating. It's rejected this twice, double top. So that's what happens when you expect a pullback. It held this area of support 289. We got in at $3 yesterday, and then you can see that here at 310. This has become an area of support now as well. So we'll see if this does hold, and then 354 is what we want on that. That's what we want. You mentioned what is there a reason why you would enter this support and exit next resistance? I don't. So Mikael, just one thing to note in the Discord or just in general when I trade, I don't hold for, if I get in at $1, I don't hold and say, okay guys, we're going to hold to 150. It's impossible to know what price the stock's going to go at, even if you think it's going to run 500%, 200% in the next few days. Okay, it's very almost impossible. It is impossible to tell you. All I do is whenever I enter a trade, my first target is 3 to 5%. I say if I buy 1,000 shares at $1, okay, I'm selling 50% of my position at 3 to 5%, moving my stop loss up to my entry. If the stock keeps going up, great, I have 50% remaining. I'll scale out as I go whenever I'm happy, not at any specific points or resistance levels. I kind of just sell when I'm happy. As you know, trading is very psychological, right? So you kind of just impulsive in terms of trading, especially these small caps. They're very volatile. So I don't say, okay guys, I'm buying at $1, I'm selling at $3 by the end of the week. No, I'm not going to do that. All I do is I buy at $1. My first target's 3 to 5%. And then moving on from there, I'll look at the next levels from technical analysis aspect and see where it has potential to reach next. So all I do is the reason why I have PBLA Y180 is just look at the chart, right? This is only today's price action. We can see 180 is the high. This is an area of support. If it breaks 180, what do you expect, right? If something is going to break a previous high, you expect it to continue to go to the upside, right? If it breaks below this, you expect it to continue to go down, right? So it's very, very simple and easy, very logical. I don't try and confuse anyone or make it very difficult. I just look at the stock here, the price action, and I'm like, okay, what's happening? Here's the high, here's an area of support. If it breaks this, I expect it to continue up. If it doesn't, if it goes below this, I expect it to come down, right? So these are just areas of resistance that are levels that are within this level between the 180. But at the moment, you can see that here, this 134 level is area of resistance. We can see that because look, we've had rejection here once, twice, right? And now it's coming down. Where do we expect the pullback? Simply down to 111. So that's all. I don't usually enter, I don't like, sometimes I enter in support, sometimes I enter resistance. It just really depends. I have a strategy, what I'd use with some indicators. You guys learned that in the Discord. Why I enter trades, I explain why I enter trades. I don't just give you guys trades and be like, okay, here, take it. Some people do like just getting alerts, which is fine, but I also tell you guys why I get in, and that's where you guys learn. So yeah, that's kind of it. This thing's consolidating big time. I'm going to move this to psychological 14. PBLA, what? Let me see what's happening here. So we're starting to see a trend, right? Let's see if this can hold this trend line. So we can see it's in an uptrend at the moment. Hopefully it does hold this. No problem. So if anyone did take this from here at, what is this, 305, it's now 313, it's pushing up. I'm expecting this to break out and push to the upside. It literally was up 172% yesterday, which is insane. Normally with these kind of plays around 100+%, the next day we expect a big pullback, right? We always see that big dump or whatever, people taking profits. This one's pretty strong, and we can see that 18% already this morning. So yeah, I'm expecting it to break this 339. When, what time, no idea, but I do expect it to break that today and continue. So CLLS looks great. So this is the best setup right now, CLLS. So all I did was here, same as the other chart that I post on IBRX. Look, here's the high, 339. $3 is the area of support. You can put it here, 306, but I just put it at $3 because that's a psychological level, that's all. So, Sidu, this one's running, was that? So this one here, like this, right? I don't really know what's going on. We can see that obviously there's obviously news or whatever is going on. If you don't really understand what's going on in this, it's simple, very easy to do. It's just mark and have the same strategy and plan every single time. Mark the high. This is it. 0.1450 breaks that. You expect price to break this, retest and push to the upside. And then just the low kind of area support, which is this 114.1140. So that's kind of what I have at the moment. So that's all I have on the short term time frame. If you're looking on a larger time frame, we can see the huge, obviously there's a big breakout there. This is that level that I mentioned. You can see that it was previous resistance here, right? We can see that. And then obviously if it breaks 0.14, where can it go next? All the way up to this 0.19. 1955. So this is your next kind of level if it does break this, right? Breaks this, you expect to push to this level here. But yeah, you kind of see what's happening right now. There's a rejection here, there's a rejection here. You need to, for me personally, to enter trade, I would wait for it to break above that, otherwise I wouldn't be entering. I'll do a couple more trades, setups, and then I'm gonna head into the Discord. Got some live trading. If you guys want to join, I have opened up some more spots like just now. So if you want to join, you can join the Discord. Let me send the link real quick. Also, for those who are new, if you can do me a favor and like the stream up and also subscribe if you haven't. We're doing trade reviews coming next week. So you'll see some trade reviews that we have from the Discord alerts and kind of reasons why we take the trade setup. So you can learn from that as well. But if you want to join the Discord and learn how we trade, Discord is there. Just post a link in there for you. So Pixie up 9%. Volume isn't quite there for me. The moment, big downtrend, right? So very bearish chart at the moment. So that's one thing that I wouldn't be looking at. But we can see that, okay, since it has found this downtrend, we've seen that now, okay, there is an area support. So what is the area support, which is this $5? That's a psychological level, so we can keep that here like this, just to mark it easy. Now, where do you enter? You do not enter now. Why? Because you're just gambling and hoping that, okay, it's going to break up. Me personally, I would wait for it to break the $7 level. Yes, it is still a while to go, $1.20. So you can see here, $7 is that break, right? So it breaks $7, then you can expect it to push to the upside. If you're trying to enter now, it's kind of just consolidating. A higher risk entry is obviously the 630 entry because it's consolidating like this, right? If it does break this, you still have this area of resistance here. So let it break this level, then hopefully push to the upside. But trying to enter now is higher risk. Even entering here, 630 is higher risk as well. When do members just joined Discord get access? What do you mean, Michael? Yeah, just message me about it. I'm not too sure what you mean exactly. PBLA, what's happening with this? It's coming down now, so we need this to hold 111 on this. So I'll go through my watches quickly, and then I'm gonna head into the Discord. So this one is my top play, simply because continuation from yesterday. That's all, nothing crazy, nothing complicated about it. I want it to hold $3. If it does, great. I'll look for entries. PBLA, this one I'm also going to keep on watch. Preferably I want it above this 134 level. I don't really like trading closer to $1. OLIT, just going to keep this on watch. Volume is slowly dying, but it is holding this area of support, which is good. Preferably you need this 1850 break, or at least this trend line break, right, on that. So if it can get that, then that'll be great. IBRX, this one is moving up. This is good. This is good. So keep this on watch for sure, because this has been my favorite play all week. CHRS as well, another one breaking downtrend here. What's it? 347 is that next level you need a break, and then after that, once it breaks that, 357 is your next resistance level on that. So got a few plays here on the watch list, nothing crazy. I've kind of got one or two in mind, but nothing until market opens. I'll wait at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes to see how the direction of the market is, and then after that I'll go from there. But yeah, Michael, if you have any questions, message me on Twitter or Discord so I can answer your question. I'm not too sure what you're referring to or about, but yeah, message me if you have any questions. If you guys want to join, the link is there. I just posted it in the chat there, so if you want to join Discord, feel free. I will be doing live trading today, so yeah, I'm gonna head into Discord now and then sort some things out and then start trading. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will catch you all tomorrow, and yeah, have a